Hello and welcome to Books and More. Sometimes it is very hard to take a decision. And even when you take the decision, you are always in dilemma whether the decision is right or wrong. We waste a lot of time not only on big decisions, but also on very small decisions like what to wear, what to eat. In this video, I will tell you some ways you can follow these and make effective decisions in your life. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to Books and More, go ahead and subscribe to Books and More. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Follow us on our social media platforms for daily updates. Sometimes you might not be clear or aware that why you should take the decision, what you should do in this case, and how you should proceed. There are two steps you can do. Step 1, understand the problem at hand or the decision you have to take. First, you need to list out all the points in favor of your decision. Then list out all the pros and cons of your decision. And list out all the options you have at hand. Step 2, you should have a plan to take after the decision is made. There is no point of taking a decision if you don't have a plan to proceed after the decision is made. This will also discourage you from taking important decisions in the future. So you should have clarity in your mind about the plan of action after the decision is made. For example, deciding on the right career option is a very important decision in the life of a student. How you can proceed making this decision? List down all the career choices you have. Then list down all the pros and cons of each of your choice. When you choose a career option, you should keep in mind the scope of the option, the colleges, admissions, etc. If that option does not seem feasible, strike it out and move on to the next. Sometimes we don't know what decision to make. All we know is that a change is required. In that case, you can adopt the 5 why strategy. For example, you are in a job but you're not satisfied. Start asking yourself the whys. Why you want to change your job? Because it's not challenging. Second why. Why is it not challenging? Because it's the same work every day. Again, why it's the same work every day? Because the company is following old techniques and structures. Why is the company following old techniques and structures? Because the company does not have enough resources to upscale their business. Why so? Because this requires a lot of time and money, and the organization does not have enough funds. Now you see a more clear picture, and you can take two directions from here. First one could be that you join another organization for a more challenging job. The second is work on providing your organization with ideas and solutions to optimize their work with less investment. This will in turn also give you more challenging work and will help you in the long run. Keep asking these questions till you're clear that the decision you're taking is right, you're confident about it, and it will affect your long-term growth and happiness. Coming to strategy 3. This talks about the number of small decisions that are to be taken in daily life. Next time when you take any decision, think about this. If your problem at hand does not impact the next day, there is no point in investing time in discussing and decision making. On the other hand, if the problem you have impacts a longer duration of time, you can invest some time in making the decision. When you have analyzed the impact of your decisions, prioritize all your decisions and finish your decision-making process in the order of priority. You might have different expectations of the end outcome. It may or may not turn out as expected, but there is no way to know that till you actually have the outcome. And if you waste your time and do not take the proper decision, you might fail due to poor decision making. I hope you can make better decisions with these strategies. If so, like and share with your friends. Do drop in your comments and suggestions in the comment section. Subscribe to Books and More and click the bell icon. See you soon in my next video. Thanks for watching.